Oh yeah, baby. Got the tank in, finally. I'll have to split hoses. Like, oh, she looks good. Just going to get it registered now. So I'm gonna throw some fuel in it. Hey, buddy. Throw some fuel in it for him and yeah, get it running. And, oh, it's nice and fucking shiny. Nice and clean for an old girl. Yeah. Yeah, I might throw that in for him as well. Oh, shit. What are we doing? Yeah, let's go, baby. This is fucking the weirdest thing ever. Going for a drive in my son's first car. Just got registered, just got his license. And to be in like my first car. Not living my childhood through my son. Oh, this is mad. Listen to this baby purr. Oh, yeah, boys.